Okay, 5.6, suppose input is 23450. What is the output? It is actually similar to while loop. Okay, a condition is actually up here at the beginning, then we go through the loop until we get the value 0. Okay, but do while loop condition up here at the end. So if you think about it, let's say the first time, what if I type 0 instead of 3? Okay, so max is going to be 0, number is 0, max is 0. Okay, here the second input, let's say 2. Okay, it means if it's 0, it's supposed to exit here, but doesn't matter because condition appear later. We go through at least once. Means we are going to receive one more value, which is going to be, let's say second value happen to be number 2. So here we're going to evaluate. Okay, number is 2 greater than 0. Okay, so max become number 2. Okay, then this is actually not 0 because I'm number 2. Then it will go back. Okay, so waiting for another input. So if we say 3, okay, 4, 5, okay, 5 until we receive 0, okay, we will continue. So of course output will be same. Max is 5, and number will be 0. Okay, so let me go back, quickly demonstrate the previous while loop. If we type 0, okay, here, it will not ask any more numbers. Okay, just say max is 0, number is 0. Here, even though we type 0, okay, it's going to go through another number, which is, let's say, 2. So I will type 0. It does not terminate. Okay, continue ask for the number, which is here. So let's type number 2. Okay, 3, 4, 5, and finally once we press the 0, then it go outside the loop condition. So that's why max is 5 and the number is 0. Okay, so there is a difference between while loop and then do while loop. Okay, do while loop will guarantee to go through this process at least once. Okay, that's the difference between while loop and then do while loop. That's all. Thank you.